Hello and welcome to KIBS Quick Tips. This week I'm going to show you how to create an app shortcut using the Shortcut app and also using Keynote. To begin, you need to choose the keynote that you want to turn into an app. So I've just chosen this keynote that I've made. Make sure you save the keynote and give it a name. Then open up a new keynote, press the More three dots and go on Document Setup. Then on slide size you need to choose square. This will make it look like an app. Now that your keynote is the correct size, you need to design what you want your app logo to look like. I've just chosen a simple book. Then you need to press the three dots and export your slide. You want to export it as an image. You specifically want to export it as a JPEG, so I've just chosen the high quality version. Now that you have your keynote and you have your app photo, you're going to go onto shortcuts. Here you can see I've got lots of different shortcuts, but all you need to do is press the plus button. Next you need to type in the name of your keynote that you made, so I will be choosing Open, Choose a Book. You need to rename your shortcut and then you're going to select Add to Home Screen. You're then going to select Choose a Photo. And you're going to choose that saved Keynote JPEG that you made before. Then all you have to do is press Add. What you should see now is a shortcut that looks like an app to the Keynote that you made. And as you can see, when you click your shortcut, it now opens up the Keynote straight away, which is what you want to happen. Don't forget to check out these great educators on Twitter for more tips and tricks on using the iPad.